Hello everyone, myself is Prakash and you're watching Fundamentals of Python. In this video, we are going to take a look at two different ways in which we can add element to a tuple. There are no inbuilt methods through which we can add an element to a tuple because tuple is immutable. So let's see what are the two different ways through which we can add an element to a tuple. Number one is concatenation and number two is typecasting. So let's see what we can achieve through concatenation. So let's say t is equal to, let's say we have another tuple t1 is equal to um, 500 comma 100. So what we can do is, what we can say is t is equal to t plus t1, and this will let us add element to t. Let's try to print t now and see the results. As you can see, 500 and 100 is added at the end of the tuple, which was not possible through append or any such method. Let's take a look at append method. If we try to directly try to apply the append method to t, let's see what happens. T dot append. As you can see, tuple object has no attribute append it shows, so there's no way to add an element to a tuple through append method. Similarly for insert and other methods which are applicable for the list. Now let's see how we can add an element to the tuple through typecasting. So for typecasting, first we'll have to turn this tuple into a list. So t is equal to list of t. This turns the list. This turns the tuple into list, and now we can do the append method. Since t is now list, we can do the append method to. We can apply append method to t. Once it's done, we can turn t in back to tuple. So how do we do that? T is equal to tuple of, and let's print t now. As you can see, 100 is added to the tuple, and this is still remains as a tuple with the parenthesis. So big takeaways from this video are two things. One is there's two ways through which we can add an element to a tuple even though it's immutable. Second is the append method. It is applicable to the list only, not to the tuple. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please share and subscribe, and don't hesitate to ask any question in the comment box below.